Hey guys, Tether Harden here at Funtown RV Cleburne. Today we're going to be looking at the 2022 Trail Runner 27 RKS. Starting out in front here at the tongue, we're going to have the electric tongue jack with a backup light, as well as two 20-gallon propane tanks come standard issue on the Trail Runner. Over here on the front half, the 2022 is going to be pre-wired for solar, plugs in right here. The way that works is most standard solar systems you can buy from Camptown are going to put out about enough power to keep your batteries charged and ready to go. Over here, we're going to have our manufacturer weight ratings. This unit's gross weight is going to come in at 9,574 pounds. So it is going to be half-ton, three-quarter-ton, and one-ton towable. And if you take a look in here, you're going to see just how big its front pass-through storage really is. Moving on down the unit, we're going to have our city water connections, black tank flush, as well as one of our pump outs is going to be located here. And this is going to be for our black and gray. Moving on over to the back of the unit, we're going to have our second pump out, which is going to be our gray water from the kitchen. These 2022s, they are going to be wired for the 50 amp service. They come standard with one AC. Here at Funtown, we upgrade it to the 15K instead of the 13.5. It is going to be pre-wired for a second AC in the master, and we'll take a look at that here in a minute. And back here, we are going to have our outdoor shower, hot and cold, as well as some campsites have access to cable. So that's where we would tie into their cable at. On the back of the unit, we're going to have pre-wired for backup cam. It's going to be a Furrion. Ask your sales rep about it. And then we're going to have the vent hood exhaust right here. So anytime you're in the kitchen cooking it up, you're going to be able to dump that air to the outside of the unit instead of having it recirculate inside. Pretty standard issue on the back bumpers. The end caps are going to come off, and we're going to be able to put our black hose right in there, nice, tucked away, out of the way, keeping everything nice and clean. Our hot water heater going to be located here in the back corner of the unit. And then at Funtown, we like to get all the fancy upgrades and bells and whistles we can from the manufacturer. So these are going to come with the upgraded electric jacks, as well as located right here is going to be your LP quick connect. So you can tie in your gas lines, bring your extra grill, get it going outside. Cable, as well as your standard plugs here for an outdoor TV, outdoor entertainment setup, however you'd like to do it. This unit is going to have outdoor marine grade speakers, 100% waterproof. The way that's going to work on your radio is it's going to be either zone 1 or zone 2 or zone A and zone B. Just depends on which radio the unit came with. Fresh water is going to be located right here. And in case the stickers come off, you can always tell which one's your fresh water because you got your vent right here. Sometimes at the gas pump, it'll spew back on you. It's vented, you don't have to worry about it spraying back on you. Furnace exhaust is located right here, and we definitely recommend getting the bug screens to go on that. It's about a $20 screen versus about a $4,000 repair if a dirt dauber gets in there and does what they do. Here at the entrance of the unit, we're going to have the Lippert solid step. This is starting to become the standard issue in the RV world. Obviously, here at Funtown, we're always going to have them. The way these work, solid step folds into the unit itself, so we're not folding it up underneath the camper. When it's tucked up underneath, that's when you get your road and dirt grime, rust, water, all that good stuff. Tucked away nice in here. You don't have to worry about 6 months down the road having rust or any of that stuff. If y'all want to follow me inside, we'll see what the 27 RKS has to offer. All right, so we're here in the back of the 27 RKS, and anytime you're talking rear kitchen RVs, you already know the counter space is going to be premium. So it has the oversized countertop here, as well as the full double sink. And it is gonna have a 3-burner stovetop, a couple inches wider than your standard issue ones. And a cool feature on the 27 RKS is the pull-out cabinetry. Creates a lot more usable space. 27 RKS gas electric fridge on this particular model, and it is going to be just shy of being able for us to call it a true residential, but you are still getting the maximum space that we can put in these things. We are going to have the full U-shaped dinette, as well as the love seat with the true pull out as opposed to a trifold or a jackknife. And then another big hitter on the 27 RKS is it's got 2 recliners, and they can move around and go wherever you need it to. A lot of rear kitchen units are not going to have the 2 recliners. Usually when folks buy the 27 RKS, that is a big player for them. Here we are at the entertainment center. We're going to have our plugs and cable hookups located right here. Extra studs in the wall here for our main TV. Trail Runner is going to come with the IRV Technologies radio, and as you can see here, it is going to be Zone 1 and Zone 2, and they do function independently of each other. Stepping into the restroom of the 27 RKS, we do have the corner-oriented shower with ample space to get in, move around, do what you need to do, plenty of height, as well as plenty of room in the middle, as well as we can check our tank levels here. We can check our black and grays and fresh, as well as check our battery level. This is where that second AC I told y'all about would go. This unit is wired for 50 amp service, so we can take the vent out here, put in the second AC, so we can keep it nice and cool in the bedroom. I don't know about y'all, I can't sleep if it's hot. I need it nice and cold. We are going to have some additional storage underneath our master. Then we're going to have his and hers matching ward, and both sides are going to have plugs on the inside with access to the bed. So in the 27 RKS, it is also going to have his and her wireless chargers. Also located in the master is going to be an additional TV spot. Plugs and cable here, as well as extra studs in the wall. This is where we can put a TV in the master. And Trail Runner did a really good job this year. They're using the sliding doors as opposed to your traditional open and closed doors. Those tend to eat up a lot of space. Again, utilizing our usable space here, we're not losing anything by keeping the doors closed. I want to thank y'all for walking through the 27 RKS with me today. If there's any other walkthroughs on floor plans y'all want to see, drop a comment below. And as always, like and subscribe. And at Funtown, the fun starts here.